everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I make a Valentine's Day card using Jaded Blossom Basic Girl and Boy Gnome Gutting die set. Jaded Blossom also produced several add-on die sets for the seasons and the celebration days of the year like Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, St. Patrick's Day and so on. Today I used the basic die set and I completed with a heart-shaped puncher for the hearts what the gnomes hold. Now you can see me how I piece together the parts of the gnomes. I work alternatively on the figure of the girl and the boy, so while one piece drying I can work on the other piece. I use liquid glue for the parts of the gnomes, and I will also use some double-sided glue tape for the background of the card. For the background I have this dotty embossed white card and a kind of shimmering glittered red card. For the sentiment I use clear silicone stamps with blacking and the words are "Love You." I simply fussy cut it with my scissors and I will use some foam tape to fix it to the card. As a finishing touch, I have these red circles which came out from the head of the girl gnome. I thought I simply just don't want to throw them out if they fit to the scene. So this is my Valentine's Day card for now. Hope you enjoyed my video. I encourage you to make handmade cards for these occasions because they are much more personal than the ones you can buy from big shops, and making them also gives some fun to the maker. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.